What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you how to find products that can get you six figures in sales in just a month or two with little to no competition and exploding demand. These products I'm talking about are holiday products, Christmas products, things that 10x, 20x just over the holiday season that do not have enough supply for the amount of demand coming in during the Christmas season. Knowing this right here, I think is the easiest way to get to six figures on Amazon. The great thing about these products, they require little to no advertising. You put them on Amazon and let Amazon do the rest of the work. Enough of me just blabbing about it. Let me just show you how to find these products and what some of these products look like and how low of hanging fruit they actually are. Hopping on my screen here, let me just show you kind of what I'm talking about here. So we have a product, Elf Hats for Adults. Okay, obviously a Christmas product here. Search volume on this product, around 100 to 200 people per month. All of a sudden, it hits October, November, it goes to 15,000 a month. It goes to 35,000 a month, peaking here at 43,000 a month. This happens season after season after season. So it's almost like a 40x in volume here. Okay, when this dramatic swing of search volume comes in, there's just not enough elf hats on the market. So even if you have no reviews, you're just starting out, this is a great way to capitalize and get sales on this. Now let me show you an easy way to actually find products like this over and over again during this season. And that's just me hopping over to Helium 10 here. So this is a product research app, an Amazon FBA app. There's apps like Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, Helium 10. You can use any one of these you'd like. They all work the same way. They all have the same tools. But if you guys need one, there's a discount code down below for Helium 10 for you guys to hop on that, save a few dollars. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Amazon product research tool. Okay, so Black Box is what it's called for Helium 10. It's really easy to find in any other app out there. So in Black Box here, we're gonna start in the products tab here. So we're gonna go down a category here and we're gonna click arts, crafts, sewing, baby products, beauty, personal care. Let's see here, keep going down, health and household, home and kitchen, industrial scientific, kitchen and dining, office products, patio, lawn and garden, pet supplies, sports and outdoors, tools, home improvement, toys and game. Okay, there's some categories that are hit or miss here, depends on what you're going for. A lot of pros and cons depending on what category, so play around with that. But this is usually a good start right here. Okay, next we're gonna go down to monthly revenue. So what we want is 50,000 or so minimum. Max, we can probably leave this just blank because there's no roof on this thing, okay? Next, best sales month. So the most important part of this whole thing. I'm gonna hit December right here. So December 2023, the best sales month. What this is gonna do is find products on Amazon that do their best selling during this time of month. So you could do the same thing I'm doing around Christmas. November is great for, Black Friday sales. All the way to December is great for Christmas shopping. But we could do the same thing for Halloween, Mother's Day, everything like that. And as I go on in this video, I'll show you why these seasonal or holiday products are such a hack on Amazon. It's pretty crazy that more people don't do this. Next, we're gonna go to review count. We're gonna put 250. 250 is the max I want here. So max reviews, it being 250 reviews, because we want to find a product that has a low number of reviews, but is still doing 50,000. That way, when we come on the market with 0 reviews, we do the same thing. Shipping size, we want small standard size, large standard size, small oversized. We don't want anything too big here for the holiday season. We want to be able to get inventory in quick and not always have to rely on sea shipping. Now, there's a ton of other tabs you can mess around with, but honestly, this is as basic as you actually need. Then we can go through here and just look at products that are doing 50,000 plus, max reviews 250, and just take a look here. So pet scrunchie, we can open up over here. We can just keep going down and down and finding new product after new product. We got, let's see here, luminous Christmas tree. You can just keep opening things up like this, okay? So a few of these I found here. So ultimate sack beanbag chair. So obviously a great holiday gift. One thing great about gifts too, guys, is that the actual person using it isn't leaving reviews. The person buying it and giving it as a gift is leaving the review. So if the kid or the parents really enjoyed the gift and their reaction was good, you're probably gonna get a good review and they're not gonna actually use the product. Obviously, don't make a crappy product, anything like that, but something to keep in mind here. So if we open up Helium 10 here, open up X-Ray to kind of see sales going on, we see 89,000 revenue between 102 and 89,000. So I always take the minimum here just to be safe. So about 89,000 this month here in sales. And then if we look at this chart here, this is called a BSR chart, right? If you have Helium 10, you're gonna see this on every Amazon page you go to. The cool thing about this chart, the lower the number, the more sales. That's all you need to know here. So it's kind of inverse here. So the lower the sales rank, the better the sales. And every Christmas we see about 1025 here. So November, we see it start to drop really low here. Okay, sales explode. Then it's hippity hoppy all season long, and then another Christmas season. Sales skyrocket for, 2 to 3 months here. Okay, same thing happened over here during this holiday season. So November, boom, Christmas time, sales started exploding. Okay, 83,000 for a product that has 102 reviews is pretty dang good. The good news here is that there's option after option, okay? So Pushpin travel maps, another one I found here, $160 price point, 136 reviews, so pretty low there. We opened this up on X-Ray. We took a look at the sales here, about 148,000 in revenue per month here. Then we go down all time here, zooming in on the graph here. You can see this hippity hop hip here. This just means that they ran out of stock. Just ignore that part. What we're looking for is this bouncy Christmas season. Boom, dip here. Boom, dip here. Boom, dip here. And then same thing happening this Christmas season where it's just slowly gone down and down and down and down and down. Meaning sales have really picked up here as time goes on in Christmas. Now you might be asking me, Cam, okay, we can't sell this year round though. Who cares? The beauty of this is you need less reviews. There's less investment over time, right? So we plan this right for holiday seasons. We could see our money come back pretty quickly. And since there's a huge influx of traffic going back to our elf hats, we can see right here, right? If we're looking at elf hats for adults, search volume right here, we see this massive increase in search history for this keyword, right? Cool thing is we don't need a ton of ads to push this product now. Where in year-round products, we do. We need to push and compete. But with this huge influx here, we could just sell for a couple months, okay? Really keep our ad spend down so that our margins stay healthy. And we just capitalize on that and collect the cash flow. So what I would be doing with these types of products is I'd find, say, elf hats or beanbag chairs or whatever it may be. And I'll show you a different way to kind of look for more products here in a second. But what I would be doing here is finding 4 to 10 of these products. Maybe if you need to start slow, maybe 2 to 3 products, right? So we put 2 to 3 products on Amazon during Christmas season and we let them roll, see what happens with these. Okay. Hopefully we're making some money back, but I don't expect you to make, $1 zillion right out the gate with this. But the cool thing is you put 3 products up there. One of them is a home run. Say it does $100,000 in sales. Say it does 20,000, 20% margins, 20,000 in profit. Great. You have one home run product. The 2 others are duds. Okay. The 20,000 covers the inventory. For the rest, saving you break even in that scenario. Okay. We have one home run product that's just going to be double next year because now you picked up reviews, rankings, you know what the market looks like. Next time you're going to order more. So your cost of goods goes down because you're ordering in more bulk now. And guess what? Next holiday season, you throw 5 more products up there. So you have 3 more home runs out of those 5, or say 2 more. So you have 3 total now. Okay. So say just again, bare minimum, you pull on 20% margins in there. They do something like we're seeing right now, 110 reviews, the guy's doing $150,000 in revenue. 20% of that is what, $30,000 in profit. Yeah, there's going to be some other things in there, but I'm saying 20% profit margins when ideally we're looking for 30%, 35% margins. So say after 2 to 3 holiday seasons, you have 10 of these products that you've tested out. They work. You get better at them every single year in inventory management, and ordering more so your margins go up, more social proof, your conversion rate's higher. You've worked on the photos, the copy on the listing, the SEO. So everything's just better. Say those 5 home run products after year 3 do $100,000 in revenue each during the holiday season. And say even, again, worst case, 20% margins. That's $100,000 you just made over a holiday season. 5 times 20,000. That's a pretty good Christmas side gig, right? The cool thing too is you can balance this with, say, summer products, right? So say there's like pool supplies, things like this. You can then sell stuff mid-season as well as Christmas season. So it's not always this big lull 8-month period of you not selling anything. You could do other holidays too. Like I said, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, July 4th. It just goes on and on and on. And again, why this is so special, guys, is because of the massive influx of traffic, right? So if we go to beanbag chair here, we search this on Amazon, it pops up. We open up Helium 10 here. We go over to search volume. We take a look here, all time. Okay, it's a little low this last year. And then boom, spikes back up here during this last Christmas. We see Christmas in 2020, massive right here, right? Then we look at Christmas the year before, 2019. Not sure what happened here last year. Maybe beanbag chairs just went out of style. Or maybe everybody bought some during the pandemic here, 2020. They must have bought them all and then they had a lull period for a year or two. Then it's popping back up here, right? We see chairs doing 2 million here, 2.8. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make $2 million here, right? These people have 24,000 reviews, 15,000 reviews, 7,000 reviews here. This is a little higher end of a market than I would go for here. But if we look over to elf hats here, we look down 10,000, 18,000, 13,000, 24 reviews, 94 reviews, 41. There's a couple of competitors up here, but 12. This is really hard to find, guys, to have 9,000 in revenue and only 12 reviews. Then we go back over to the Pushpin travel maps. Let's take a look at those. We copy over here, all departments, go back up, paste here, and we take a look. Obviously, guys, if I'm moving too fast here, I just want to get the point across. I have tons of other product research videos. You can just search Cameron James product research videos and they'll pop up there. And those I explain a little bit more of what I'm doing. Right now, I just want to show you this topic. So loading up Helium 10, we see search volumes pretty small. I don't have the right keyword here. We do see jumps during the holiday season. Just didn't find the perfect keyword. But we see here 130,000, 1,100 reviews. That's kind of high, but again, 150,000, 135 reviews. We go down 10,000, 142 reviews, 31,000, 216 reviews. That's really hard to do. And why that's happening, again, because there's 10x traffic coming, if not sometimes 40x traffic coming for these keywords. Now, if you're more analytical like me, what I suggest you do for some research here. So I switch from black box products to keywords here. And let's go search volume here. We're just looking for more products here. This is what this tool does. Minimum search volume of 10,000 here. Monthly revenue could leave alone. I just want to look at search volume and we'll go from there. Max review count, let's put 250 again here. See what happens there. Shopping size tier, our shipping size tier there. Let's go over there. Let's just go all to make this simple real quick, guys. Oops, exit out of that. And then let's go down to, where's it at over here? Best sales period. Okay, let's hit December again and let's hit search, see what happens. So over here, we have Taylor Swift calendars. Be careful with like Taylor Swift or anything that takes over a personal name, like NFL goods, college football goods, things like that. You want to stay away from. But, you know, First Christmas Together ornament. An ornament, that's pretty easy to manufacture, guys. And you can have tens of different designs on this because, you know, this is super cheap, right? And how easy it is to get a designer for 50 bucks on Fiverr or make it yourself in Canva. That's a free app you can use and just design this yourself and make 10 different versions thrown up there. See which ones stick. Maybe 3 out of 10 stick. And you have 3 winners for the next 10 Christmases you can just double down on, okay? So we see here 306 reviews, 23 reviews, 26 reviews. We open this up on X-Ray here. Okay, we see up here, search volume, right? This is obviously gonna skyrocket every Christmas here, boom, boom. And then we look over here, 11,000 sales, 8 reviews, 52,000, 26 reviews, 6,023 reviews, 5,000, 2,000 reviews here. So that guy's doing it really wrong. Don't be that guy. 40,000 in revenue, 51 reviews. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. And this list goes on and on and on during Christmas. Girl's ugly sweater, you can have 10, 15 different variations there. These stuff you can really build on year after year. Taylor Swift's taking over Amazon right now. Every grandma with a granddaughter is looking at Taylor Swift stuff right now. We can see how easy of a hack that is. And I'm not saying you're gonna get rich overnight, anything like that. You still have to build this like a real business, but the opportunity is huge. The high reward, lower risk here. Obviously business, there's always risk. Making products, there's always a risk. But to launch product and not have to rely on ads or outside marketing because search volume is increasing 40x, that's pretty cool. And again, you could do this for any holiday. You just have to build it the right way. Obviously, don't be an nincompoop and just throw crappy photos up on that product or get a product that's terribly made. You still have to go through the processes. You have to get samples. You have to vet manufacturers. You have to get the right pricing. You have to get decent photos. You have to get good copy and listing. You have to learn how to do all these things to even have a chance. But for people who are willing to put in this work, this is a pretty easy route. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. If you guys want more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe down below. If you got any cool other product research kind of hacks, I'll put those down in the comments. I'd love hearing about those. Also, guys, I have a free Amazon FBA group. The link will be down below for that. We make guides there. We make a lot of PDF guides. We talk a lot of Amazon there, give you guys free resources, have some video trainings in there, everything like that. So if you want to be in a community with other Amazon sellers, make sure you get in that Facebook group down below. Otherwise, guys, check out some of these other videos and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.